In this DIY video today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a simple table arrangement for your wedding or wedding flowers. So what we've got today is some pastel carnations, some white avalanche roses, some blush pink roses. We've got some eucalyptus for some texture and a packet of leather leaf just to create that base and structure. We also need some floristry tape or sellotape, that can still work as well, scissors and half a block of pre-soaked oasis. Now the reason I'm just putting half a block in here is because we're going to be making a small structured spray for the table, so half a block of oasis should be enough. We're just going to get our florist tape and just wrap the florist tape just around the oasis block and the tray so it's nice and secure. And for the base, we're going to be using this leather leaf. I think that it creates a nice base for the structure. We're going to go in a diamond shape, so we're just going to put that one there, and then another one the same size the other side, and whatever we're doing on one side we're doing it on the other side also, and then one at the front in the centre here, one going off in an angle that way, one going off in an angle this way, and then exactly the same on the other side. So it's essentially, if you watched any of my other videos, it's basically the same structure as what we do for a tribute spray. So this is the sort of shape you should be getting, so in a diamond form. Then we've got some smaller units of the leather leaf which we're going to build the structure with. So we just take these and go around, and what you're essentially doing is just covering all the oasis. Just make sure it's not coming out longer than the base. I'll just move these over here for now so you can see this more clearly. So you can either use the smaller units that have come off the full stem, or you can get a full stem and just snap off smaller units and just go around, mimicking the shape of what you did on the base. So just put as much in as you desire to cover all the gaps and the mechanics that you can see. Okay. Another thing is, it depends how big that you want the display to be. So in the centre of the table, you want them to be smaller, so just use smaller stems in the arrangement. If you want it bigger, you can come out to like 3 or 4 foot. It doesn't matter. I'm just showing you the one size today, and one size is the same principle for all sizes. And it's better off to start off small, so then you can learn then how to get bigger gradually. Okay, so then it's basically nearly all filled with the foliage and we can see no gaps. Now this is really dark green colour, so I'm going to add some lighter greenery tones with this eucalyptus to add texture as well. So I'm just going around, just popping these in, going in a similar direction of what we've done with the leather leaf. Just be as creative as you want to be, just as long as you're making it in this structure. Okay. So now for the flower part. I always start off with a focal flower. So I'm going to start off with this white rose and we need to just put that bang in the centre of our arrangement, fully into the oasis, so it has that water source. Then we're going to put another rose just underneath that one with a shorter stem in the direction of you. And then another one in the direction of me. This is just so it can be seen at all angles. So if this is going to be a top table piece, so it's going to sit in the centre of the table, your guests can see the roses, and then you essentially can see all the roses and the beauty as well. But with some top tables, people do like to keep the back all just green, so there's more flowers at the front for people to see, and the pictures will be nicer. So that is completely up to you. So I'll just go around with all the white roses. Okay, and we're going to come in with our carnations, and they just really need to be evenly distributed throughout. So making sure it is all in the lines, and making sure whatever you do on this side, we're going to do in the back as well. So we're just going to go around just filling in with the carnations. Now the nice thing about carnations are that you can actually get a bridal packet from your florist of pastel carnations. They come as what's called a bridal mix. And carnations are a really love or hate sort of flower, but I think they're creating a comeback, to be honest. I think they're really lovely how fluffy they are, but some people just don't like them. But they are a cheaper alternative as well if you don't have a massive budget for your wedding flowers. And you can easily get these from the supermarkets, dare I say it. But this is the DIY project, so. And then I'm just going to come in with our pink roses. Like so. All the colours are coming in nicely together. Do make sure every single stem is in the oasis having a water source, because you're more than likely going to be making these the day before. And you do want them to have as much water and as much life as possible. Okay. Put that one. Now you can go round to the front of your arrangement, adjust things, but if it's perfect and it's the way you like it, then good stuff. But you can also get other filler flowers like wax flower or gyp, just so it gives more of a fuller look. But we're just making a simple one today. And here is the finished product. Now I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, comment and subscribe so we can make more informative and DIY floral videos for you. And I will see you in the next video.